At the end of 2008, the bookseller introduced a new online feature to increase the accessibility of audiobooks. The aim was to increase the sales of audiobooks by 40% every 2 years after 2008. In which years did they meet or surpass their target? So first we need to know the actual numbers of audiobooks sold in each of these times. Audiobooks are in green here, and in order we have a 10% of the total, 15% of the total, and 18% of the total. So if we want to find the number of audiobooks sold in 2008, we need 10% of the total sales. So that's 10%, which we know is equivalent to 0.1 as a decimal. So 0.1 multiplied by the total sales for 2008, that's 28,100, which is 2,810 audiobooks sold for 2008. Similarly, we can calculate for 2010 and 2012 by using the corresponding multipliers for 15% and 18%. That would be 0.15 and 0.18. So now we have the actual sales for audiobooks in 2008, 2010, 2012. Now let's see what this prediction says. It says we have to start with the 2008 figure. That's 2,810 audiobooks sold. And we need to increase that by 40%. That's the same as multiplying by 1.4, since that's 140%. So that would be an increase to 3,934 for 2010. The increase for 2012 would be by taking 2010's value, and again increasing by 40%, so multiplying by 1.4. That gives us 6,573 audiobooks sold. Now let's see which years they passed or exceeded their target. For 2010, they actually sold 4,695, and their target was 3,934, so they passed it in that year. For 2012, their target was 6,573, and they didn't meet that target. So they only passed it in 2010.